Hello Menki. Have you ever wondered why, after having an injury, you recover, your injury repairs? This is because of growth factors. They are a naturally occurring protein in humans that control the repair and rebuilding process. Now we can use these growth factors to our benefit when it comes to aging. We can have treatments, in-office treatments such as laser, peels, dermabrasion, needling. There are a variety of options. They all have something very much in common. They create a controlled injury to the skin and force the skin to release growth factors. In other words, accelerate the healing. Now, used in a way to fix skin or in a cosmetic sense, these growth factors can either be applied topically or they can be activated by any one of these treatments in office. We have both options available to us. They are by far the most powerful rebuilding and remodeling molecules in humans. Now, growth factors can be acquired either from the body itself or they can be synthesized in a laboratory. Either which way, they are identical copies of one another, such that if you apply a topical growth factor to your skin, it can't tell the difference between what comes from your body and what's come from the product. Applying growth factors is a new paradigm in skincare and certainly has enabled us to repair skin several times faster than before.